Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to introduce the chief guest for this session, Ms. Sandra De Souza, Chief Customer Officer of Dialog Asia PLC. Ms. Sandra is the Group Chief Customer Officer of Dialog Asia Chairperson and the Chairperson of the Digital Customer Expert Working Group for Axiata, and Director of Dialog Business Services. In addition to her role at Dialog, she is a founding member and chairperson of SLESCOM, the Knowledge and Innovation Chamber, a founding board member of the Women's Chamber for Digital Sri Lanka, founding member and past Vice President of Sri Lanka Institute of Service Management, and advisory board member of CX Networks IQPS PC UK. With over 3 decades of experience in the ICT industry, she is the recipient of multiple global and local awards for women in management, leadership, and for her exceptional contribution and achievements in the sphere of telco and digital customer experience management. Some notable global accolades include AX50 Ambient Experience Leader 2020, CX Leader of the Year 2019, and CXPA Global CX Impact Award winner 2015. An avid keynote speaker, presenter, juror at global customer experience and telco conferences and awards, Sandra has spoken at over 180 global events. She is the only certified customer experience professional in Sri Lanka and alumna of the Cranfield School of Management in UK. A Lean Sigma Black Belt practitioner and certified Scrum Master, Sandra is also a visiting lecturer at the University of Colombo School of Computing since 2009. I now invite Ms. Sandra De Souza to deliver the convocation address.
Good evening. This is a happy day, isn't it? Professor Lakshman Ratnayaka, Chancellor, Professor Lalit Gamage, Vice Chancellor, academic staff, management of SLIIT. Most importantly, a warm welcome to all of you and my sincere congratulations to the stars of today. The stars of today are you, and I know that through the mask, it is difficult for all of us to see the joy that we hold, the smiles, the joy in your eyes, and most of all, the joy in your heart. At this moment, I'd also like to remember those wonderful people who have helped you along the journey, your parents, family, and friends who are watching you from afar, although they are not here today. Regardless of this pandemic situation, it is still a very, very happy occasion, and certainly you will agree with me that this is the best day of your life so far. It is the most important day of your life so far. Why? Because of this great achievement. You have proved to yourself, to everyone around you and the world, that you're a champion, a winner, who can see through and focus on what you're doing over a long period of time to have come this far to this day. Therefore, it is my pleasure to be here today to speak a few words on this great occasion, which I'm sure you will agree as well is a happy occasion, isn't it? Today, this great educational institution, fondly called SLIT or SLIIT, to those who know, by far, is one of the most prestigious if not the most prestigious, non-state education center institution in this country. So for the 143 of you graduating and preparing to set about to get into the world, this has to be your privilege to have graduated from SLIIT to take your rightful place in society today. Therefore, let me start by congratulating you once again, each and every one of you, and to wish you every success in life. May you be blessed with more opportunities to grow in your chosen career paths. This is a defining moment for all of you. It is a day of celebration, a day in which you look back on the many challenges you have overcome and look forward to a host of new challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, knowing that you have the skills and the knowledge needed to meet all the needs of the world. It is a day that you can never forget. No doubt the time will come in your own careers when you think back and look back to today and are amazed at how far you have traveled and how much you have achieved. This is the power of great education. By turning you into a wonderful lifelong learner, it gives you many possibilities and opportunities. So this is not where your career starts and your education ends. This is where your career begins and your lifelong journey as a learner and education simply begins. Don't ever forget that this is only the beginning of a great path ahead. It will give you, it makes it possible to adapt, to grow, and also to do what you would like best and what might be the most conceivable today but inconceivable as time passes by and as you grow. I know that you have made many sacrifices in order to learn and to earn your degrees. But I believe it is important on this occasion to recognize not only your own efforts, but the efforts of those who you have supported you on this journey, some of who are present on this stage today, and those of you who are not. They have put in as much as you, many tiresome hours through the years to get you to where you are today. The country and the world are facing a pandemic, we all know that. The most severe in recent history, and possibly the only one in our lifetimes. During a time when the freedom to breathe has been restricted, you have completed a great academic feat. The last year of your degree has coincided with a global pandemic that has disrupted our normal way of studying, working, and living. This has required you to adapt new and different ways of learning, and for us, new and different ways of working. In overcoming these additional barriers, you have demonstrated your ability to be able to adapt to change, your resilience, skills that will be essential for your future career success. You have successfully laid the foundation stone for your journey ahead. This is indeed the biggest achievement. The rest of who graduated before you haven't had to undergo these trials and these difficulties, but you have. So this is a great achievement that despite everything, you've been able to go on this journey and to get to where you are today. Therefore, take a minute to appreciate yourself, your family, friends, and loved ones, and of course your alma mater, and most importantly, your motherland for this achievement. Your motherland will be looking forward to having you become a successful contributor to society and to this country we live in. You have received a qualification that will take you far and will be the cornerstone of your success story. And for one, we will all be very proud of you. Some of you will achieve great heights. I would like to think that most of you, if not all of you, will be out there taking bold steps to represent yourself and the best of your institution. Be the example and the shining example that you are meant to be. The world is full of great leaders. Every single one of us have great leadership within us. You just only have to look within yourself to be able to find that leader in you and to go out there into the world to lead in whichever the discipline that you have chosen to make your future life and your career in. I would like to pass on some of my own learnings over the years that will help you to succeed in this new reality. Be a critical thinker, keep an open mind, and separate facts from opinions. You have learned it at your university. Please continue to cultivate it. Finally, find your purpose in life. This last learning has been crucial for me, and I would have been happy to have discovered it way earlier on in my own life. Purpose is why we exist. It's what motivates us and what wakes us up every single morning and gives us the ability to face another day with optimism. It gives meaning to who we are and meaning to what we do. Once you find your purpose, approach everything with that in mind. It will fulfill you and make you happy. You are the generation that can drive positive change. Live your purpose with passion. Education, as Nelson Mandela famously said, is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Now, it is up to us, it is up to each one of you to prove it. Go out there and be the change that you want to see in our country, in our society, and in our world. And in Sri Lanka, coming from the business community, I can tell you right now, particularly because I represent SLASCOM, I can tell you within the IT and BPM industry, we have a lot of opportunity awaiting those like you. Opportunities are endless, opportunities are limitless. You just have to grab these opportunities that come your way, and if at all, if anything, we can only wait and want for this great institution to be able to produce many more quality graduates, such as you all, many more in number, because the business community and the business world in the country can certainly do with great quality, educated, well-educated leaders into the future. So with that in mind, never give up, never give in, always remain positive in life. Remember, the glass is not half empty, but is always half full. So always remember in these difficult, dark moments in your life, if ever there are difficult, dark moments and challenges, there will always be challenges, but to overcome these challenges, you need only to look within yourself to the strengths, the skill sets, to the belief and the ability that you have within yourself. Look around the corner. If ever you need help, you will always find that there will be someone to give you a helping hand. From my own experience, I know you should never be shy to say you don't know something or you need help. You should never be afraid. Particularly, you don't have to be conforming to the traditional ways in which we work. You can look at the opportunities that are available to you as a global citizen. You are now moving into a world that is more global than ever before. The world is open to you. You can work from here. You can work from anywhere in the world. You can do all of what you want to do to present, whether it is Sri Lanka or Sri Lanka's wonderful, resources that we have to offer, including the talent, such as yourselves, to the world. And so go out there, be bold, and keep the faith, and know that anything is possible to a willing heart. Never throw away opportunities that come your way, and never not take up the challenges that come your way. Your life is just about beginning, and the world is yours, and the world is out there for you to take. So be bold, go out there, believe in yourself. Don't ever forget that this day, today, is to be celebrated, is to be remembered, because it is, so far as I said, the greatest moment of victory in your life, and such moments will come to you over and over again, many times. Just remember what it took to get here, and the same strength, the same will, the same grit, the same courage, and don't forget the hard work. The world is not an easy place. If you want to get by, if you want to win, if you want to make it out there, the hard work has to be put in, right? So just remember that, and you will all be absolute stars, as you should be. With that, I'd like to congratulate all of you once again, and my sincere best wishes and God's blessings. Thank you.